everybody, what's up? I know it's been a while since I showed my face on here, and you know they say man plans and God laughs. Well, I don't think he's laughing, but yeah, we've had some delays, and so I'm kind of out of a funk because I had plans for the channel as to where the content would be going, and because of the delays that I don't have that content to put out right now, and I'm a little bit bummed about it, but at the same time I'm still grateful because the delays have presented the opportunity for me to do some other things in the meantime. So this week I actually woke up to 2 new subscribers, and I haven't posted anything sensible in a while. And then Wednesday, say mid-morning Wednesday, I got another 2 subscribers, and before 5 o'clock I think I realized about the other one at around 5:18 p.m. I remember the time. So on Wednesday I got 3 subscribers in total and 2 on Monday, and as I said, I'm not doing any content, so I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing, even though I'm not really active in this space, but there is content coming. So you've already subscribed, I would encourage you to hit the notification bell so that you know when the content comes out. I want to shout out Esther. Esther watches my videos and comments, and every time I see a comment from Esther, it's like me just fangirling because Esther has 14,000 subscribers, guys. More than 14,000 subscribers, and she finds time to come over here and comment and watch my videos, and she's not just leaving empty comments, she's making comments like she's actually watching the videos, because I have subscribers, they're subscribed but they're not watching the videos, so it's kind of like but I still watch the video and I'm so thankful for that. Come pick up him in a green shirt, him in a uniform today. Why you got traveling?